In this video, I will guide you how you can add page number on the right side of the page on the entire document like this one. And here you can see that page number 1, page number 2, 3, and it's continue 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10. So how you can do that? So first you have to enable the header section. For this you need to double click on the left side of the page, and here you can see that the header section is enabled. And if you unable to do that, go to the insert and click on the header and click on the edit header, and again your header section is enabled. And then go to the insert again and go to the page number and click on the top of the page and select the format. And here's the plain number 3 I'm selecting for this tutorial, and here you can see that page number 1 is inserted. So again go to the insert and click on the page number and click on the format page number, and here you can select the format of the page number. If you want simply 1, 2, 3, you need to select on, and you need to click on start at 1, click OK, and here you can see that the page number is starting from 1. Let me go to the view and enable multiple page views, and here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. And if you want to remove the number, then again go to the insert, click on the page number and click remove page numbers, and you can see that all page number gone. Again go to the insert, click on the page number. Again we need to select the top of page, and this time I'm selecting this option, and here you can see that 1 page, 2 page, 3 page. So this way you can easily insert page number on the entire document at once. So I hope you understand the process. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.